everyone, welcome to our channel Digital Hut Tutorials, and today we're gonna talk about how to set up legacy account in your Facebook. So let's start. So this is Facebook account. Let me log into this, and so this is the home page of your Facebook account, and on the top corner right hand side you can see there are three lines. I'll tap that. Here under settings and privacy, there is one option settings, so I'm going into that, and this is related to all type of setting in your Facebook account, and the one which I'm looking for is account ownership. We can see here this is account ownership and control. I'm going to tap that, and then the very first option is memorialization setting, so I'll be going into here. And now here you can see that choose your legacy contact, like any one of your friend to whom you trust and you want to manage your account through him, like once you passed away. This is kind of a unique feature Facebook is giving, like once you are not in this world and you want your pictures to be with your friends, and someone you choose that who can manage your account after you pass away. So this is the option Facebook is giving. So here from this option, like you can choose one of your friend, but before choosing it will be showing you what all the stuff that person will be able to manage. So that person would be able to manage tribute post on your profile, which include deciding who can post, who can see post, deleting post, removing tags, and request the removal of your account, respond to new friend requests which you will be getting, update your profile picture, and all that stuff. So I'm going to click on the next, and here I'm gonna choose one of my friend, like let's say Kapil Khanna is my friend. So the moment I click on the send button, yeah, that request will be going to his account, and he'll be able to see, okay, what is happening. Okay, someone has requested for the legacy account manage. So the moment you click it, he'll be sending the getting the he'll be getting the notification. So as of now we are not going to just send it. I'm just choosing his name just to show you, so I'm canceling it. And the similar way, like if you want that, okay, you don't want this person to be selected but the other one, simply you can remove it from here. I'm removing it from here, yeah. And the other option on the same page, it shows that, okay, a delete account after death. So again, if we tap on here like delete after death, let's see what it is saying. Okay, so it is saying that no, don't delete after death, yes, delete after that. So one of the option you need to choose. And surely, like if you want to set up a legacy account, you have to choose this option, which is no, don't delete after that. So this is how, like you can set up your legacy account, and these are the options. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please do subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click the bell button, because all the latest uh, videos which will be will be releasing on the YouTube, you'll be getting the notification for that. Thank you for watching. Thanks.